Hello there. We're going to continue our study of limits by looking at a limit that goes to infinity. We have the limit as x approaches 2 of 4x divided by x minus 2 squared, and we are going to examine this limit analytically rather than using a graph or tables. So remember that our general strategy with a limit that we suspect goes to infinity. And why do we suspect it goes to infinity? If we look at the numerator is going to 8, and the denominator contains an x minus 2 squared. So as x gets closer to 2, that denominator is getting really, really close to 0, which suggests that we're dividing by a very small number, which means the result is going to be a very large number. So that's more or less the analytical piece to this. So if we do the left-hand limit and the right-hand limit, so the left-hand limit, we're going to look at the limit as x approaches 2 from the left of 4x over x minus 2 squared. And we're going to examine what's going on in the numerator and the denominator. Now, as x approaches 2 from the left, this 4x, 4 times 2 is 8. The numerator is getting closer to 8. And the denominator, now let's think about this. It's a number smaller than 2, which means x is less than 2, which means we have a small negative number squared, which is going to be 8 divided by an even smaller positive number. So as x approaches 2 from the left, this limit is going to positive infinity. Again, kind of contradictory. Limit, infinity. We'll just say that the function is increasing without bound. As x approaches 2 from the left, it is going up indefinitely. Now we'll look at the right-hand limit. We have the limit as x approaches 2 from the right-hand side, 4x over x minus 2 quantity squared. And it's a very similar result because we have still 8 in the numerator, but now we have a small positive number because we're taking a number slightly larger than 2 and subtracting 2, resulting in a positive. So I'm going to call that small positive, squared, which is 8 over a small positive, which again is positive infinity. So this limit actually agrees on both sides, and we can say that the limit as x approaches 2 of 4x over x minus 2 squared is equal to infinity.